Unity is no human idea. It is what is ordained by Allah. Translation: and hold firmly all of you together on the strings of Allah and do not be divided. Now read what the Holy Prophet says about the Muslim unity. The likeness of believers is regarded to their mutual love, affection, and sympathy is like a body. When a limb of it suffers, the entire body acts with a sleepless and fever. Al-Bukhari 5665. Presently, the Muslim Ummah is divided into sects, races, and nations. All religions' tolerance is the end of the hour. We need to ignore religious differences between the various Islamic sects. The Muslim rulers must try to create an environment of harmony and forbearance. The Organization of Islamic Corruption is an international organization founded in 1969. It consists of 57 member states. It is supposed to be the sole representative of the Muslim world. Its charter reads that it strives to promote solidarity and harmony among the member states. Its aim is to increase cooperation in society, economics, cultural, scientific, and political areas. It is headed by Arab states. Presently, the Arab states have changed their priorities as to protect their own political and economic interests. They have established close diplomatic ties with USA, Israel and India against the prevailing interests of the Muslim world. Resultantly, a new bloc consisting in the state of the Turkey, Iran and Malaysia has emerged to fill the vacuum. This is what that harmed the unity of the Muslims on international level. The Arab states, instead of protecting their own interest, should change their foreign policy, keeping in view of the issue of the Muslim states. For example, Kashmir dispute. The Israel-Palestine conflict, etc. Pakistan has yet to decide whether to join the new bloc or carry with OIC. In fact, Pakistan is striving hard to bring all the Muslim states in one platform. The Muslim countries are rich in national resources and human resources. The Muslim countries just need to share their resources with each other, become prosperous, and this they cannot do without being united. The unity of the Muslim world can ensure the maximum utilization of these natural resources. The above scholarly debates conclude that Islam gives priority to unity and plan to divide the Muslim Ummah must strongly be stopped. The Muslim community must struggle to create such a safe environment as may ensure global Muslim unity. Its aim to increase cooperation in social, economics, cultural, scientific, and political parties. They have established close disputes titles. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग और कंप्लीट वीडियो। मिलती है नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक अपना और इस चैनल का ख्याल रखिएगा। अगर आपने अभी तक हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया और उसके साथ ही बेल आइकन को नहीं दबाया तो जल्दी से जाइए और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए। मिलती है नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।